My name is Shelley Blake Pluck. I'm the CEO of Yet Analytics. We are a company providing analysis platforms and database platforms for the purpose of analyzing and understanding the big data of people performance, human capital. Several months ago, the Department of Defense open sourced a specification for experiential data. That is the data of people doing, learning, working within connected environments. A community developed around it, and we were one of the groups asked to join, and we developed a commercial platform based on that specification. Back in December, we were invited as a guest of the Department of Defense to present work that we were doing in the gathering simulation data from flight simulators and game engines at the annual ITSEC Military Training Simulations Conference. What we did is demonstrated the ability to draw data out of a flight simulator in a format that was interoperable with wearable data. That we were collecting biometric data at the same time via Android Wear. So we were able to gather biometric data like heart rate and things like this, movement among participants in the simulation, while at the same time gathering the simulation data, bringing it together in a unified common format and visualizing it live. That sort of thing, the ability to triangulate different forms of data to help you to identify patterns, trends, behaviors that otherwise might be less intuitive to get at. That's what we do really well. But the ability to passively make the tracking of human performance and business performance a part of the expectation of what it means to be a worker, to contribute to an organization, to contribute to the success of a business strategy. To be able to have technologies that provide that in a passive, behind-the-scenes, very integrated, job-embedded format that actually shows the real work, the real life of what people are doing. That's the special offering that XAPI brings to the table. Data collection has been something that sort of happens auxiliary to what you're actually doing in your work. The integration of XAPI technologies into the day-to-day of all of the operational technology within an organization makes that ability to gather and that ability to analyze and then make decisions based on what people are doing and how they're performing. That makes it a lot more special. I'm convinced that there is a way of looking at data architecture itself that is essentially part of, or should be part of, one's business model in entering this new frontier of ubiquitous data. We've built a data architecture that puts its arms around where the world is going, rather than go for the easy win right now.